Hey there, fellow cat lovers. Today we're going to dive into some positively fascinating about our feline friends. So let's get started. Did you know that cats can't taste sweetness? Yep, it's true. Unlike us humans and some other animals, our whiskered companions miss out on the sweet stuff. No kitty candy for them. Cats are quite the daredevils. Some brave kitties have survived falls from over stories, which is a jaw-dropping meters. Their secret weapon, the riding reflex, which helps them land on their paws like acrobatic pros. Neutered male cats live 62% longer than their unneutered counterparts. So getting your feline friend neutered not only helps control the cat population, but also adds more quality time to their whiskerific lives. Meow-mazing cat cafes are all the rage in Korea and Japan. Picture this. You can sip coffee while spending hours of perfect time with adorable cats. It's a dream come true for every cat lover. Ever noticed how your cat blinks? Well, that's because they have not one, not two, but 3 eyelids. That extra blink membrane protects and keeps their precious peepers moist. In Japan, black cats are thought to bring good luck. So if you spot one crossing your path, consider yourself lucky. But in other cultures, black cats may have a different reputation. Get ready to be amazed because cats have more than sounds in their vocal repertoire. From sweet meows to deep purrs, they've got a language all their own to communicate with us humans. Cats come in a multitude of colors and patterns. From solid-colored beauties to playful tabbies and regal calicos, their coat designs are as diverse as the stars in the sky. Cats are meticulous groomers. They spend a significant amount of time licking and cleaning their fur to stay spick and span. Ever wonder why your cat's eyes seem to glow in the dark? Well, their eyes have a reflective layer called the tapetum lucidum, which enhances their night vision. Cats have been our furry companions for thousands of years. Their history with humans dates back to ancient civilizations where they were revered and even worshipped. Ancient Egyptians were huge fans of cats and considered them sacred animals. They even had a cat goddess named Bastet, who represented home, fertility, and protection. Cats have an incredible sense of balance, which is one reason they're such agile climbers and jumpers. Their ability to land on their feet from great heights is truly astonishing. The world record for the longest cat jump is an astounding 7 feet. That's like a cat leaping over the height of an average basketball player. Impressive, right? Cats have a special scent gland located on their faces called the caudal gland. When they rub their face on objects or you, they're marking their territory with their unique scent. Cats spend a significant portion of their day sleeping, and they're crepuscular animals, meaning they're most active during dawn and dusk. Speaking of sleep, cats can dream just like humans do. You may have noticed them twitching or making sounds while they're in a deep slumber. Unlike dogs, cats can't be trained to perform tricks as easily. They're independent creatures and often do things on their terms. Kneading, when a cat rhythmically pushes its paws against a soft surface, is a behavior that starts from kittenhood. It's a sign of contentment and is often associated with their time nursing from their mother. Cats use their whiskers as a powerful sensory tool. They're highly sensitive and help them navigate and perceive their environment, even in the dark. Cats communicate with their tails, too. A swishing tail can indicate different moods from playfulness to annoyance, so pay attention to those tail signals. And there you have it, folks. Cats are truly incredible creatures with quirks and talents that make them the perfect companions. Remember, every feline friend is unique, and they bring joy to our lives in their own special way.